Hello everyone, you are on the channel Eric the Hiking. In this episode we are going on a trip to a Spanish island, Mallorca. Mallorca is the largest island of the Balearic Islands, which are part of Spain, and the seventh largest island in the Mediterranean Sea. The capital of the island is Palma. Every year, a large number of tourists come to see the Cathedral of Santa Maria. It has a rich, interesting history. The island of Mallorca is very beautiful and has many interesting places to visit, starting from beautiful cliffs and ending with exotic beaches with incredible crystal clear water. We bought tickets spontaneously via the website lastminute.com, where you can easily compare prices and evaluate what to expect from the hotel by arrival. Our goal was to relax and enjoy the resort. Let's start with the flight. The plane was delayed and we arrived in Palma late at night. We just came in. The plane was delayed 5 hours. The first impression was great and we were surprised by the hotel, its cleanliness and level of amenities. We didn't use the mini bar much because there was a grocery store across the street and everything you needed could be purchased there. In the morning, first of all, of course, we wanted to see the sea. Our holiday has finally begun. Then we decided to have breakfast, as breakfast was included in the price of the room. Every day there was something new, and the variety of snacks and food in general was very pleasing. I can note that the hotel staff is very polite and welcome in communication. There was always staff in the reception who were ready to help at any time. After buying a sunscreen, we immediately went to the beach. Sunbeds, or as they are called, sun loungers, along with an umbrella, for 2 people cost 13 euros. Our mood finally improved after first 10 and we plunged into the atmosphere of relaxation. A few words about the resort of Palmanova. Palmanova is one of the first tourist destinations on the island. There is a wide variety of restaurants and entertainment venues. From the upper floors of the hotels, there are beautiful views of the sea. All 3 beaches of Palmanova received the Blue Flag Award. In the summer months, the average air temperature is around plus 30 degrees and the seawater around plus 25. The first place we ate was Beso Beach Mallorca. Everything was very tasty, but the prices were off the charts. Inside the hotel, there is a cafeteria, Syra Coffee. We were very pleased with it. I can note the quality and high level. Then we went for a walk through the streets of Palmanova. Since this is a different country, we were very curious to see what the streets looked like. Our next attraction was a boat trip. Prices were relatively inexpensive, 25 euros per person. The duration of the trip was 2 hours. The first stop was Cap de Gegend. The captain said that the stop would be 30 minutes and allowed to swim. In the meantime, I decided to inspect our boat and went down to the lower deck. On the lower deck, an underwater world opens up. Small fish can be seen. There is also a small bar on deck where you can buy cold drinks. Next stop, Isla de Saparasa Island. The diameter of the island is more than 400 meters. The island is located in the heart of the Bay of Magaluf. Also, along the way, the captain stopped in interesting places. Along the coast of Calvia. Torre de Moro, a small watchtower, built in 1584. Cova de Portals Wales are interesting caves, but I couldn't find exact information on them on Google. Write in the comments if you know what they were used for and what happened there. Faro de Cala Figuera. The Cala Figuera lighthouse was opened in 1860. The trip made very good impressions on us. We saw a lot of interesting places. On the way back, the boat stopped where it picked up passengers. Another gorgeous beach, Magaluf. After a long trip, we decided to eat at the restaurant on the beach, Il Chiringo. The restaurant has a huge selection of seafood and excellent wines. Mallorca. We are in Mallorca in Spain, having a good rest. After good wine, our mood improved quickly. we went back to Zel Mallorca hotel. Music was constantly playing in the hotel, and there is a good reason for this. The resort of Palmanova is located near the nearest resort of Magaluf. That's where we went. To drink a couple of cocktails and have a good time. The nightlife, of course, was in full swing. Many people come here just for the sake of parties. The Manos Club was advised to us by the locals as one of the calm and adequate places. One of the popular clubs is BCM. World-class DJs perform here. After the club, we decided to see new places. The heat was unreal. Calo della Bella Dona. We liked the place because of its exotic appearance, clear water and fine white sand. This beach is a nudist, so if you decided to go here, be prepared for it. And finally, one more thing, a worthwhile place to eat, Olive Tree. In this place I was able to taste real sangria. Sangria is a Spanish medium alcoholic beverage based on wine. I can note the high quality of the food, the staff and the atmosphere.
Mallorca.
This was our first experience in a hot country. We liked the hot climate. We tried something new. There are still many interesting places in Mallorca, and I hope we will be able to see at least some of them. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit like button. It was Eric the Hiking with you. Bye everyone.